Hello, welcome to today's video. I am Ellie Brown from Uptown with Ellie Brown. So excited to have you here. Today we're gonna be talking all about lashes, again. But it's not the disaster and the same thing that happened last time with the lash perm. The results today, as you can see, look absolutely amazing. Absolutely love it. But I'm gonna be sharing and kind of doing a review first impression of the Lilac St lashes here. We got several lashes over here. I got the Prism in size 12 and 14, the Uptown in size 12 and 14, and then the original size 12 and 14. Again, she did send all of this for me to try, and I thought, hey, while I'm actually trying and applying, let's just, record a YouTube video. But let's just jump straight into today's video and let's try out Lilac St lashes, shall we? Okay, so let's go straight into how to apply. I have made sure to watch all of the videos, all of the tips, and all of the tricks. So we're gonna go in with the original, the 12 in the original, and let's just go straight into it. And so the first step is you're supposed to apply the conditioning primer. So I took everything out of the packaging, obviously, and she did send this little carry-on luggage. So I put all the products in there. The kit comes with the Lilac Lash Conditioning Primer that you apply first. Comes with the lash glue, and that's this little bottle here. And then you seal the glue with this one here. And then when you want to remove the lashes, this is the one that you use, which, side note, the brush and the way she did this is really, really interesting. The spoolie side here comes like a, I don't know, it's like there's like a brush side and there's like a rugged side, which is interesting. So first step is to apply the lash conditioning primer. So that's what we're gonna do. Obviously apply it to clean lashes. Soak a cotton pad or microfiber brush with primer and then gently brush on your lashes. Allow to fully dry before applying glue. And also to note, it does not replace makeup remover or cleanser. So I obviously don't have anything on at all. So anyways, I'm just gonna saturate that and apply all over. I actually should do one eye first. So let's do this eye first. Oh, be careful. Do not get it in your eye. Okay, so I feel like this side is dry. And so I was watching the videos and kind of how to apply, and there are different ways to apply. You can apply, just all over with a couple of gaps, or you can apply, one and just kind of overlap them slightly. But she, on one of the YouTube videos that I was watching, she said that one of the ways that makes it look a lot more seamless and a lot more flawless and natural is to apply both ends and then apply in the middle and then kind of overstack and overlay the two in between those three. So I'm gonna go with that method. Yeah, they're all the same length, so it's not like, how lash strips, like it's smaller in the front and it kind of just fans out, which I actually would love to see that here, because the reality is when you're looking at, natural lashes, it's not all the same length, right? So I think that would be cool to see here. So I've got the lash glue. I have also I took a clean spoolie and I went back and forth with the lashes here just to kind of fluff them up a bit. And then I did, in one of the videos, she did say to go underneath, flip them out. So go underneath with like whatever you're using to apply, lift them up. That way it's easier to pull and you're not like damaging the lash. So we're just gonna go right in. Oh, the lash glue is also black. That's interesting. Which is, you can kind of see what you're doing. And then she did say to take the tip of the lash and apply it to that here. Moment of truth, here we go. It's not sticking. It's not sticking. It's not sticking. Why is it not sticking? Oh, there it goes. Okay. So the 12 is the exact same length as my actual true lashes. Now that I think about it, that's why she has the different sizes, the 10 to 12 and the 14, because you can even create your own custom flared effect that I'm talking about. Duh. I should have done the 14 here. I wonder if I can still do that. let's play around here and try this again. We're gonna go with a 14 at the very end. We're gonna apply the lash glue. I think honestly, so now that I've done this, do not apply the lash glue all over. Apply the lash glue as you go in sections. So I'm gonna reapply the lash glue here on this side. I'm gonna take a 14, apply a little bit of glue on the 14. I'm gonna wait a couple of seconds just for it to like get a little tacky, and then let's lift and apply. Ah, yes. There you go. I think my eye shape is a little bit smaller, so I don't even know if I would use the full 5 again and maybe do 4. So I'm gonna do 14. I'm not gonna go in with the method of how she did it just because I feel like the way applying the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I feel like that may be a little bit for experienced lash appliers. Let's try to keep things simple the first go around, shall we? So we got the lash out. Let's apply the lash glue. I also need to go back and watch the video. I wonder if you don't need to apply the lash glue on the entire lash, you know? And maybe just apply the lash glue at the base of your lashes, your natural lashes. Let's wait a little bit and gonna lift and apply. Let's keep going. Okay, well, I actually ended up using 5, and this is what the 5 looks like. I almost wonder if I really love this very last one right over here that I added. Try to squeeze them here together. I will say they feel actually really, really comfortable. Now, the step to what to do next is in the video, the little applicator that comes with it, what she does is she takes this and she just applies it all on the inside, and this is how she fuses both together. And so she takes the applicator and that's how she fuses, which is interesting. Oh, I really like how this looks. Another thing that she did was she did in the video, after she fused everything together, she squeezed and then went over the spoolie and just kind of fluffed them. So let me go ahead and do the other eye and we'll come back with the finished results. Okay, so the lashes are done, I think. I'm going to do some light makeup around and just to see what everything looks like. So I'm excited though. I really, really, really like these. And so again, I did 2 12s of the original. I did 2 12s, or no, 3 12s and then 2 14s. So I really want to do 2 10s, 1 12, and then 2 14s because I think that would be like the look. Okay, so this is the finished look and how the lashes look with my makeup. What do you think? They look really, really natural. They feel great on the eyes, like as if I don't have anything at all. I really, really, really hope these last, again, a lot longer than just a day or 2. I mean, not that these took a long time to do. They probably took about 5 minutes per eye. 10 out of 10. I will only change my rating if these don't last long. It is contingent on that. But what do you think? I like them. I like them a lot. A lot. What do you think? Let me know below.